This brand is made in China and can be purchased through their website or Amazon store. They offer 4-stage air purifiers that are Wi-Fi enabled for control through Alexa and Google voice commands. The units have an onboard air quality sensor that can control the 4-speed fan when in the auto mode and provides a colored light to indicate the current room air quality. The Sciaire Mini Plus model features their plasma shield technology, which is an ionizer as well as a true HEPA and activated carbon filter. They have a 231 square feet coverage area with a 141 CFM delivery rate, while the Aaria Plus models have a 459 square feet coverage area with a 294 CFM delivery rate. The Aaria Plus model uses hypochlorous acid, which is a deodorizer and kills bacteria and viruses. The brand is backed by a good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.